have to go back over it, or you can come higher. But you want to go in one motion. You want to go... So you want to make sure that you go in one full motion. Most of the time you're going to be using a smaller system, like a 4, a 6, or a 5.5. This is a 10 with a 25-20 nozzle on it, so we're at 1,000 PSI. It's a lot of water. I feel like I'm at a water park. However, as you can see, it cleans up really easily, really nicely. And we've applied sodium percarbonate to this. Maybe a 10-minute dwell time. We're gonna high pressure rinse at 1,000 PSI. You're starting to get your good looking wood right there. And then we're gonna apply oxalic. With this mix, we were using 8 ounces per gallon. We've got an electric pump sprayer, and we did 2 gallons of mix. Apologize for all the water. But let it dwell for about 10 minutes, and then you apply the pressure. Then you apply your oxalic, you let that dwell, and you can rinse that or leave it. If you're gonna stain, you wanna wait about 3 days, and then you can apply your stain. It's gotta be 3 consecutive days of no moisture. So if you have rain, your timer resets. It's pretty simple. We're applying a semi-transparent stain, so for us, it's very important that we use, sodium percarbonate for this. You can use sodium metasilicate, we like that too. In order of strength, it goes sodium percarbonate, sodium metasilicate, and then sodium hydroxide. Sodium metasilicate is like a light stripper, and sodium hydroxide is like the more serious stripper. If you need a strip stain, that's what you want to use. And we use stain and seal stains. They have a transparent, a semi-transparent, and a semi-solid. I personally like the semi-solids. They last the longest, especially in the Texas weather. We're going to use a semi-transparent chestnut on this, and we'll have all the photos afterwards.